Hey, hi everyone. My name is Vinay Dembi. I am founder of OneVolt. OneVolt is technology-based electrical startup focused on good quality product and services at an affordable price. We are two founders in the company, my son Vinay Dembi and Shishir Gupta. We both come from very different professional background, but our main aim is to make OneVolt a global name. So, briefing about myself, I am having 13 years of experience in electrical industry, where I worked with big brands like Philips, Panasonic, Havells, and Osra across the country. During my professional journey, I met a lot of consumers like distributors, retailers, household, etc. And I noticed that good quality product at an affordable price are most in demand. To cater this requirement, we came up with idea of one vote. So we shall launch our fans and mixer grinders in its first phase. Now you must be wondering that why fans and mixer grinders? India is a tropical country and hence fans are the big necessity. Indian fan market is approx 16,000 crores. On the other hand, mixer grinder, India is a food loving country and mixer grinder is an important tool for every Indian household kitchen. Indian mixer grinder market is 9,000 crore. So these two basic products, fan and mixer grinders, if we combine together, it will make a business of 25,000 crores. And here, one volt want to be part of. On that note, I welcome all of you, and I hope that you all will join us in making one volt a household name. Thank you very much.